Good morning, students. How are you all? Great. I'm Khushbu Patel from Saraswati Group of Education, and today I'm conducting this session for the computer subject. As last time I told you that now practical is starting off, right? So you will not see me on the screen, but you will only listen to my voice. Okay. So I hope you have remembered what we have done in the last session. That was, yes, we have completed the hard words of lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, which is related to introduction to the Paint 3D, right? So now let us start the first explanation part, right? But before I start it, what you should have? You should have your textbook. So go and bring your textbook and open page number 30, right? So see here, we all are aware with the Paint program. We know that what is the meaning of a Paint. Paint is a program where we can draw picture and color it. That's the simple thing. But what is the Paint 3D, right? Paint 3D is a paint program only, but we can draw some different things with the different dimensional, right? So that we have to understand. See here, this is the first page of your textbook. We know how to draw pictures or shapes in Paint, right? You all must be knowing it, right? If you have a computer at your home, laptop at your home, please do it. The pictures or shape we draw in a Paint is two-dimensional, right? That means 2D picture. We have understood what is 2D and 3D in hard word slide, right? The picture which we can draw like square, triangle, circle, right? These all are 2D shape, right? See here. A 2D shape has only length and breadth. That means length and width, means lambai and pahadai. While 3D shape, which is 3-dimensional shape, has length, breadth and height as well. 3 sides of the object we can see at a one time, right? If I say brick, jene apne eat kahiye chiye, right? So what is that? It is a 3D shape, right? But if you see only one part of it, then it is 2D shape. Okay. So Paint 3D program, which is the next version of Microsoft Paint, help us to draw 3D images or shapes, right? If you have a computer or laptop, please install it. It's a free only, you will find it from the Google, right? So install it and you will enjoy, right? Let us learn about this interesting program in detail, right? So now we have to study this program in a detail. So come on page number 31. This is your page number 31. Steps to start Paint 3D, right? So first we will see the theory portion. See, to start Paint 3D, follow these steps. First, type Paint 3D in search box next to the start button. Where is the start button? Here, always on the left side. And beside the start button, there is a search box, right? Here it is written, type here to search. So any of the program you want to search, you can search here very easily. So here, what I want to search? Paint 3D. So what I will write? Paint 3D, right? So if I am writing full or if I am writing half, then also the program will appear here, right? Okay, now see the next step. Click on the Paint 3D app to open it. This is an app, you can see here it is written, right? The Paint 3D welcome screen as shown in the figure 3.2 appears. That means I have to open it, right? So I will click it. What will happen? The program will be seen. Okay, let me do it once again so you can have a better idea. First, in the search box you have to type Paint 3D and this app you have to click on it. Okay, see, this is the way program will start. Okay, it will take time, and this is the first screen, right? This is the first screen. Now see the third step in your textbook. Click on new option, right? If you will see in that box, new is written. Click on new option to start a new drawing, right? We want to start, so where we will click? Here, new, right? So see, this window will open. This is how it looks like. Okay, see the Paint 3D window with a number of components as shown in the figure 3.3. See, which figure you have to see? This, right? We have written in a search box, then we have opened the new, that is third step, and then when we see, different components will be seen. This is the window, right? Here also you can see this is window. See, there are too many shapes, brush, colors, everything, right? So these all are what? It is known as components of the Paint 3D window, right? Now what are the components and where it is located? For that again we will have to go to the textbook portion. See, components of a Paint 3D window. The Paint 3D window has the following components. The first one is menu, where the menu is pointed here. So let us search here. You can see this box. See, अभी आप सिर्फ बॉक्स देख रहे हो, बट जैसे ही आई विल टेक द कर्सर इट विल रिटर्न मेनू, राइट? So this is what? This is menu. Right? The menu display options that help us create, save, open and print a picture. Right? If I will open the menu, you can see new, open, insert, save, save as, print and share. Right? So this is what? This is the menu which we can see. Okay? By mistake I have also closed the app, so again I will open it. Right? Meanwhile we will go to the next category. What is the next category? The next category is tool category area. You can see that tool category area. The upper section of the window displays a number of tool categories, right? Upper section of the window means this. Let me show you. I have to create a new one. Right? It is because an app, right? So it will take a time to open, right? See, this is what? Tools category area, where I have a brush, then 2D shape, 3D shape, stickers, text, effect and canvas. Canvas means this drawing area, right? This white paper, white chart paper which you can see where you can draw, that is known as a canvas, right? So this area is what? It is tool category area, right? Okay, now see in your textbook again. When we click on a category, tools related to it appears on the right side panel. Right now you will see that brushes are highlighted. So if I will select 2D shape, see, you can see right hand side it will appear. If I will say 3D shape, right, you can see that here it is appearing. If I say stickers, right, so it will appear here, right? Many, like the way we are using in a social media, that way also we can use the stickers here, right? So that is what? It is the tool. These all are considered as what? Tools. This is menu and these all are tools. Okay? Now see, drawing area or canvas. This is the area where a picture is drawn and colored. Right? You can see in your textbook also where the canvas is pointed out, this white area. Right? White paper on which you can draw anything is known as the canvas. Right? Or drawing area. So I hope you have understood till here, right? And kids, if you will take a bit interest, you will enjoy, because I hope that you all love drawing things, right? So it's better that you pay attention. Now turn the page of your textbook, page number 32, as we have completed watching the tools area, one by one we will see the tool. What was the first tool category in the tools area? Brush. So that only we will see. Brushes, right? Selecting the brushes tool category, display 10 brush tools on the right side panel as shown in the figure 3.4, right? If I will click on the brush, this type of the brushes will be seen here on the right hand side, right? So let's do that. Right now I have highlighted stickers. Now I will go to the brushes category. See, you can see here 5 and 5. Total we have how many? 10 brushes, right? See here. Out of these 10 brush, 8 tools help us to draw with different effects such as a marker and oil brush, right? Now see, these all are the brush, right? Pixel pen, this is whenever you are taking your cursor to any of the tool, it will give its name will appear, I can say. So what is this? This is marker, right? So if I will select that, you can see I can draw it whatever the color I want to choose from here, right? I can draw it. You can see here, right? It's very fascinating. मज़ा आता है करने में, right? So this way you can draw any picture with the help of a marker tool. This is the marker, okay? Now see, oil brush also is there. Now let me show you the oil brush. Which is the oil brush? This one, right? So you have to select that, right? And color we have selected, you can see it's getting dark, right? I'll choose the another color so you can see it, right? This is what? This is oil brush, right? So you can use any of the brush you want and you can draw anything, right? See, next, the remaining 2 tools, that is the fill tool, help us to fill the color inside the shape, right? So let's do that fill color. But see here, can you see that? Okay, now I'm choosing that fill color. I want to fill color over here. See, so wherever you want to fill the color, वहाँ पे जाके you just have to press a click, right? Now here I want something else, so right, that is what it is, fill color, right? So according to your requirement you can utilize the different brush from here, right? See, the eraser tool help us to erase any part of the drawing. Now you feel that whatever you have drawn, right, it's not right, I want to change it. So you can use what? Eraser. The way you are erasing in your book, same way, right? I just want to erase it. You can see that my drawing is getting erased, right? I don't want this color. Instead I want something else. So what will I do? I just have to press. हाँ, जब आप erase करते हो तब आपकी माउस की क्लिक को प्रेस करके ही रखना है, right? And you can erase anything, right? See, this is the way I'm erasing, right? So different things are there here. Different brushes are there which you can use for your drawing. Now see, let us draw a t-shirt using a tool brushes category, right? Here it is written t-shirt, but we are not going to draw that t-shirt. Instead we can draw something else. First let me erase it, right? You can see that I have chosen the eraser tool and I'm cleaning my canvas, I'm cleaning my drawing area, and now it is ready for the new drawing, right? So what is the first step? See, click on the brush category, right? We have already done. Click on the marker tool. Which is the marker tool? Yes, the first one, right? When you will choose, the name of that brush will appear here, okay? Marker. Adjust the thickness of by moving the slider, right? Thickness means jadai, right? You can see here. If I'm doing this, you can see. Let me choose the other color, the darker one, so you can have a better idea, right? You can see. Now what if I am increasing the thickness, right? Can you tell me the difference between these two? It is very thin and it is very thick. So you can also adjust the thickness from here, right? See here. According to your requirement, you can do that. See, very less. You can see the changes. Clear? So this is the thickness. Now what is the next step? Choose a color. Whatever the color you want to choose, you can do that. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Keeping the left button pressed, drag the mouse to draw the t-shirt, right? So whenever you want to draw, you have to keep pressing the left side of your mouse, right? See, you can see that I am making some circle and circle, circle and circle like a jalebi, right? So I am pressing the left button of my mouse, okay, and you can draw. You don't have to leave that mouse button. If you will leave that, you won't be able to draw. See, ये मैंने ऐसे करके फिर छोड़ दिया तो I can't draw properly. Is it clear? So you have to keep pressing the left button of the mouse. Now let us learn to use some other tools under the brush category. Use a spray can tool to color the sleeves and oil brush tool to color the pattern, right? But we have not drawn that yes, t-shirt, but yes, we can use that spray, right? See spray can, then you have to see choosing the other color. It looks like that we are playing Holi, right? See, you have to keep pressing this way, right? You just have to keep pressing. So spray can also you use. Then what is the next? The next one is use a fill tool to add color to the neck and pocket area of the t-shirt, right? So fill color also you can choose. That means if you don't want to color, you can choose this fill. So automatically पूरे drawing में color हो जाएगा. See, you can see, right? You can see that I am choosing the different color so that you can have a better idea. Yes, see here. I am filling the color with the different colors. So see, yes, I am not good at drawing, but yes, I am good at coloring. So you can see that I am changing the color by using the fill can. पूरा का पूरा कलर का डब्बा ही डाल दिया मैंने. Right now, use eraser tool to rub and correct any mistake. Right? If you want to do any kind of a changes, so you can use the eraser tool. We can adjust its size by using the slider. Right? Suppose I want to erase all these things. Thickness I will increase. So large area of my canvas will be cleaned, right? You can see here, it's getting cleaned and cleaned. That is, I have increased the thickness. तो जितना आप thickness बढ़ाओगे, eraser उतना ही बड़ा हो जाएगा, right? See, is it clear? This way you can use that. Keeping the left button pressed, drag the mouse over the part of the drawing to be erased, right? जब भी आप color करते हो, erase करते हो, you have to keep pressing the left button of the mouse. I hope you are clear till here. Now moving further to the next one. What is that? That is 2D shapes. So see on page number 33. That is the next topic. That means the second tool. From the tool category area, we are going to start with, it will take a time. Yes, now you can see that. Okay, fine. 2D shapes. 2D shapes category provides a number of tools that help us draw 2D shapes such as circle, triangle and rectangle. Follow these steps, right? Where first the 2D shapes tools are present. ये ब्रश कैटेगरी है, उसके बाजू में 2D शेप है. So first you have to click on it. You can see that number of shapes are appearing here, right? These all are what? These all are 2D shapes. See, click on the 2D shapes category. We will notice that a number of 2D shapes appear on the right side panel, right? जैसे ही हमने यहाँ पे क्लिक किया, right, 2D shape पे ये पूरा का पूरा जो है वो right side पे खुल गया, right? See, click on the desired 2D shape. Desired means whatever you want to make. Your star is made, so let us make something else. Shall we make this? A blue. So here it is written 2D desired shape, star is drawn. We are going to do something else, right? So this is the tool category area in which we have taken the 2D shape. You can see there are so many 2D shapes given here, right? So what we will make first, let me make the circle only, right? It is selected, and then you can draw here on the canvas. Okay, let me take this some other one, right? You can see here, right? This is the way you can draw the shape. When you will draw the shape, this type of the screen will appear with the capsule. Here you can see fill, line type, thickness, right? Now fill means coloring inside, fill inside, right? Line means border, thickness means the thickness of the border. Okay, see here now. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Keeping the left button pressed, drag the mouse to draw the shape, right? We can draw the shape by dragging the mouse. Dragging means એને ખેંચવાનું છે, right? And we don't have to leave the left button, right? When we drag out a shape, the right side panel displays option for modifying the shape. Now see, जब भी आप कोई शेप लेते हो तो दिस विंडो विल अपीयर विच इज नोन एज मॉडिफाइंग द शेप. मीन्स इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द कलर ऑफ अ बॉर्डर, if you want to fill the color inside the shape, if you want to change the thickness of border, right? But if you don't want to do, you just have to press anywhere on the canvas, right? Again I'm taking some yes, this is Pentagon I'm taking, right? So I want to modify, so this can be done, but how? See here. Choose the fill and line type option to change the fill color and outline color of the shape, right? Now fill means inside here. What I want to fill, which color I need, that I will select. Okay, so right, I'm selecting this one, right? So as and when I will select, you will see that the color will appear over here. Line type means border. Okay, I also want to change the color of it. So you can see here any color you can select. Okay, and the third option is a thickness. See, this is a slider where I am moving. Can you see the difference in a drawing? See, if I am increasing, the border is getting thicker. If I am decreasing it, the border is getting thinner. Now if you feel that your drawing is completed, you just have to press here on the right. Right? So this shape is ready. So students, now we have completed the brushes and the 2D shape in a Paint 3D. I also told you how to start it. So if you have a computer or a laptop at your home, please download Paint 3D from the Google. It's a free only, right? And do practice it out. You will enjoy. So with this, today I am ending my session. We are going to meet in the next session with the new topic. Till that time, please read the topic which we have covered today. Practice it out, and for any query, you can ask me in the live lecture, as well as you can also go through this video again. We will meet next time. Till that time, right now I am taking your leave. Goodbye and stay safe.